This is a 2010 Subaru Impreza WRX. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed manual transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sports suspension, a navigation system, a sunroof, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: alloy wheels, air conditioning, cruise control, a rear spoiler, fog lamps, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, a folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 18,000 miles. This Subaru has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Stark Automotive is located at 1423 Highway 51 in Stoughton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.